Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put picture overlay to video in CapCut PC so easily. For instance, I'm going to select one video to take and I'm going to add a picture overlay. So select the picture you want to add as an overlay. For example, just move up, put on top another clip, and you can change for the duration assembly and resize. And right, I'm going to merge it and I'm going to blend the overlays. Select basic, but before I'm going to remove the background, so just select the auto cutout and I'm going to blend. Select blend and select mode of blend. Right then, alright, just screen, just darken. Alright, here we go. So this is how you can add a picture overlay to video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Please like the